So in case in future when we with the aim of growing big, and so when people would like to look us into what we are and how a thing that started from scratch did grow, then we are also trying to have an domain name. This especially would help us in terms of giving an identity edge, because none of our competitors presently in Assam are having a domain name. So this would help us not only currently but also in the long run. It will give us a competitive advantage, sir, first mover advantage. So the competition, sir, currently, eventually everyone in this business is a potential competitor. But then, as we said, then the topmost name that has arised, that has managed to surface at the top and is doing a lot of ring bells, sir, is Bahubali X. One important thing, sir, here is that after doing a bit of research and study, we found out that the last time we gave you a presentation about the report, sir, Bahubali X were produced like having their supplies only in Jorhat, and then they were trying to reach Nagaon, and they were reaching a few places in Guwahati. But by now, after the recent lockdown, when I came back here in my own place, in my own city, sir, Dibrugarh, found out that Bahubali Eggs have also managed to get a few stores here as well. Like they deal with a few traders here as well. Same thing, they have their different logo, and also their eggs are priced a bit higher because their eggs are fresh. They're just priced a bit more, 5 or 10% more than the other eggs. But still, that does not reduces their demand. They are still in demand, and because they are also not able to suffix the market demand, so the demand for local eggs, or in this case, are high, but the supply is less. Yes, sir. So the PowerPoint was not getting shared over. Oh, sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, I will share the whole. Which. So is it visible now? Okay, sir. Might be some technical glitch. Yes, sir. Arnav, are you presenting it? No, right?
No. Earlier it was visible for me and it was moving also, sir.
So is it visible right now to you? So I will not take it to the slideshows presentation. Otherwise, I fear you might not be able to see it. So are the slides switching? Okay, sir. Yes, sir. So, sir, last time when we gave you a presentation, then our financials were the financial presentations were not strong enough, and you found out the loopholes, and then we tried to also correct them. We last time when we gave a presentation, we've had this projection that we are going to break even in the very first year of operations, and then there was a bit reality check and more in-ground analysis of how things would look after us. And so, sir, we have in the report mentioned the list of equipments that are required to as to start this business and make it more technologically efficient in terms of our competitors, like the small traders who are dealing locally. Then they are not bringing in high techs, and that is why their production as per eggs are less per year. But then with inclusion of the new technologies, then we could further enhance. Also, a reason why traders, like though there is such a big market in the of eggs here, they are not going is because the temperature here. The temperature here is not in Assam particularly was not pertinent enough for the poultry business to prosper. But then with recent developments and with the introduction of incubators that would currently match with the required heat and to for the chicks to sustain and then survive and then move ahead to the growers phase. So with the advent of technology, that is possible now, and that is why this business, though has been the biggest untapped market right now, things are looking better. So not only for us, but also is for the business as a whole. The competitive advantage will also be that, as not in terms of those eggs that are being brought in from other state, is that the transportation cost one, plus with whatever we have studied and whatever knowledge we have gained, an egg is the nutrition benefits of an egg is derived only when it is consumed within 22 days when it is laid. So because we will be a local produce, then our supplies or our produce is going directly to the market. So that one benefit is there, because we will also have less reports of the eggs going bad, or the eggs being turned not fit for use or not fit for consumption, sorry, in this case. So sir, we have a detailed like kind of yes sir, yes sir, sir, we yeah, yeah. So, yes, sir. So if I remember very well, sir, last time you asked us if there is a business, for those for bakeries as well, if we are just providing them with the yolk and other things, sir. If we, sir, right now, because we would like to start from small. Right now, sir, our business won't be able to, deliver that. Also, sir, currently all the markets, the current bakeries, they are getting the eggs as a whole, and if so, value statement as in. Yeah, yes, sir. So we have not made a statement as in such, but then yes, why in the report we have written that why would one go for our eggs, other than going for the competitors' egg or any other egg available in the market. So first thing, we are trying to produce. We are in terms of traders, in terms of supplying to traders and to the B2Bs, we would be giving them a higher margin. We are expecting to give them a higher margin. Why? One, because we will be in a position to cut down on our cost of transportation. Say, sir, for an egg, a truckload of egg traveling from Maharashtra to Assam would have a huge chunk of transportation cost. So one, we are trying to reduce that cost. Yeah, sir. If everything goes right, if our production is efficient, provided, so I will come back to that part of our production efficiency. If provided our production is efficient, which is a learning curve, sir, eventually we are not trying to expect to hit the boom from the straight phase, but then we would be able to provide it in a cheaper cost. We will be able to provide at least a higher margin to our traders, to B2B and the traders. Two, the eggs will be fresh, sir. Within 22 days of consumption, eggs are generally fresh. Then there are less reports of egg turning out to be rotten, so consumer complaints and also traders complaint will be less. Three, sir. Yes, sir. So this, I'm actually speaking of my own experience, and also as per, sir, we have read an article. I would We do not have the article right now, but then where it was said that the nutritional benefits and the freshness of the egg is the best part. The best consumption time is within 22 days. So thing coming from Maharashtra sometimes also they takes a toll. So there is where we are trying to sir, focus upon. Like it would be a part right now. Yes, sir. Nutritional value as in sense. Uh, we have to at some point of time also make the consumers aware that because our eggs are fresh, they have more nutritional value, but then also expecting that because the eggs would be probably, sir, what we have seen from our competitors eggs are that because they are local produce, and their eggs are relatively sir. Yeah, yes sir, sorry sir, could not hear you. Yes sir. So we would have to first convince our traders, the local market traders, and as well as try and sir, as we said, we are going to have handles, social media handles. So try and give post knowledge, post stories about how the freshness of an eggs matter, or how nutritional, the level of nutritional value. So we have to try to first aware more consumers, and then as we said, so we would also try to reach out to media handles as to why. Say for example, Bahubali X, the our main we have whom we have seen their story. They have also reached out to a lot of media handles. They have given interviews that stretch as long as giving every integrities of their business. So they also have articulated it. Also there was one another prior to Bahubali, they also are currently in business in Bongaigaon district of Assam, sir. They are one of the largest producers of egg in terms of Northeast. Yes, sir. Okay. Hmm. Yes, sir. Sir, it will be economies of large scale. So more we produce, it will try to cut down the cost. Also, sir, Assam in particular is not able to fulfill its need, but then India overall is, sir, exporting eggs. India overall exports eggs of around 250 crore per annum, but then Assam has to seek bring in eggs from other states. So in terms of, there is an estimation, or there is an in believe that we would be able to do that, but then it also depends, a lot depends, sir, about the efficiency in production. Say, sir, when we first gave you the presentation, sir, we were very, like, it was me who was very reluctant, that we thought that uh, we are going to hit every door, we are going to punch it right. But then after a bit of research and bit of following up, reading in articles and all sorts, we came to realize that, so the very important aspect in this business is the chick phase. Why the chick phase? Because the mortality rate among the chicks in the chick phase is higher. It is considerably high. If proper due care is given in that phase, then post the chick phase, that is 16 weeks, like 12 to 16 weeks, the survival of the chicks into grower phase is higher. And why here the most important, sir, thing expect in terms of production, getting the production, or achieving the purpose, achieving the yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we have not done in-depth analysis in terms of financials as to how we could give you something, but then we have seen lots of locals that have turned up to switch to poultry farmings, very small, on a very even small scale of farming, and even they have managed to earn profits. So it was not just one particular farm here that we have kept under study. Bahubali eggs are a huge farm that is a benchmark, but then there were a lot of small scale poultry farming as well that's sustained. Also, the government of Assam, sir, way back in 2011-12, they distributed chicks, so free of cost to village in a lot of villages. And that particular year, just so not in terms of trying to develop any business or sort of thing, just to encourage having, it is said, sir, the term used was, I'm not able to put in the exact term, there was a, I think there's a local farming or say backyard farming in a very small scale, just to suffix the family need or a couple of that locality need, maybe in a very, in that